Hello YouTube. So today I want to show you my hydroponics setup that I've been working on for about 3.5 years now. And as the title suggests, I built a hydroponic system that use gravity-fed system instead of using water pump. So essentially replacing water pump by using gravity-fed system. So this is a 4-tier version, and over here I got a 3-tier version. Let me show you how it works. So first you have 17-gallon tank, as you can see, and then I got water and pre-mixed nutrient solution inside this tank. It's about halfway full, and from that tank I connect this tube, which goes down to each level of the tray. Now let me show you what's inside and how it works. So I have a float valve connected, which will limit the water or adjust the water level to the right amount. So there's actually a gap of air and water, so roots don't actually get rotten, because as you can see, we got nice and clean roots, and then as you can see it's not fully filled, it's about halfway filled. So I use float valve system to control the water level to make it stable, and I'm feeding that with gravity, and I just distributing these into 4 levels, and then plant just sits there. I use a workshop LED light, which I got from the Amazon. I'll link down in the description. But what I found was basically you don't need a grow light LED to grow high quality products, including pigmentation. As you can see, by having 3 of these lights with the right distance, you can have a purple pigmentation plants, not only the green ones but also the purple ones. So I'm currently testing out the purple lettuce, purple basil, and various herbs like dill, tarragon, marjoram, shiso plant, lemon and basil. And I've actually ordered these seeds from a commercial seed companies. You could get the seeds locally with, Home Depot, supermarkets, but their seed or the quality of the plant tend to have a lower quality than what you can get at a commercial grade seed, which is very important. Like for example, this butter lettuce, which grows like a flower. I think you can't get this variety at a local warehouse. So this is a 3-tier system. Now what I've done was, instead of having, this is actually the first version, so instead of having 4 levels, I've added the top level, I've added the tank. So this, when this tent folds up and gets zipped up, then tank is invisible, so it looks better, but you're losing 1 level of grow space. So I moved on from this system to this system. Now I have 4 levels with the bucket or the tank being exposed at the top. But it's exactly the same system, and I got a DC fan here at each side. One is blowing in and the other side's blowing out, and I just simply screwed on this 4 points of the DC fans directly into this fabric, and as you can see, it's doing its job. And I use a simple nutrient mix. So here I got Epsom salt Power Grow 41838 Master Blend and the calcium nitrate. And there's a set of instructions you can follow. I just calculated what to do, how much you mix in what, and separate. Usually you separate it and then A and B solution, because if you mix those two up, it creates a sludge, which you don't want. So that's why you separate those solution A and B. And then basically you add water in the tank, you mix the nutrient solution the right amount by using this thing called TDS and EC sensor. And this you can get on Amazon like $5-6. So it's a very easy process. So that's the overall system, how it works. Again, I'll just reiterate. Pre-mixed nutrient solution tank that feeds to each level of the tray. Each level is controlled by the float valve, which limits the water level. So whenever plant sucks water, its water level goes down. That naturally brings more water in to maintain the level. And because this is a mechanical system, the only electricity I'm using is DC fan, which is very low power. It's mostly LED lights. So by eliminating water pump, the plumbing gets a lot simpler, and then the maintenance gets a lot simpler. And what you need to do, you just need to add water in tank, and that's all you need to do. And the plant just keeps growing. And it's less noisy, less power consumption, no leaks. And I find that system very practical at growing, where other YouTube videos, they're really good. But I always had to wonder, is it possible to grow or set up a hydroponic system without using water pump? And presto, it is. So there you have it. Just sharing some ideas. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on what I come up with other design. I'm thinking of doing some other plants other than leafy greens, maybe some fruits in the future. Yeah, Thai basil, and you got Genovese basil here, lettuce basil, which is sort of curly but interesting smell and flavor. I got some coriander there. So yeah, mainly growing lettuce, all year round production. Outside is winter, as you can see, snow, but inside, green. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, inspired some watching this video, and then yeah, let me know what you guys think about this, and yeah, I'll keep you posted. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye now.